Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hello everyone, checking in on Apple, and we had a little gap down open today and a big white Marubozu or green Marubozu, which shows the bulls in control from the open to the close. So this support level keeps showing up, and the bulls are defending it pretty significantly. We had the consolidation low here December 16th of 115.64. Yesterday, the low 115.64, a double bottom. And then today we opened 5 cents below it, but the bulls showed up in a big way right out of the gate. So we are not confirming consolidation is occurring, and we can see the bulls have bought the dip both times over the past 2 days to end this week. So the bulls are absolutely still in control, and it's a potential little bull flag of consolidation. We'll have to see how next week starts out. But there is no denying the strength here in Apple, and we compare it to some other tech names. We'll look at Facebook here in just a moment, but we're looking at a lot of weakness in those other names and a bunch of other names, but Apple is definitely one of the leaders. And we look at the weekly time frame, and we can see 3 big green weeks in a row, a little bit of an upper wick of profit taking, but not significant. We're looking at 118.08 and 117.50 as 2 resistance levels that the bulls want to break next week in order to have the ideal week continuing to follow through for the bulls. So looking at the 5-minute, we can see a huge breakout first thing. So the gap down open, and the bulls ran with it for 25 minutes straight up. So we went from 115.59, and then we were 25 minutes later up at 116.50. We did consolidate, and if you look at this on a different kind of time frame, it does look like a bull flag. If you zoom into the 15-minute or even more so the 30-minute here, it is a clear bull flag pattern of consolidation. Bullish reversal hammer confirmed, and then the bulls took over the trend. So looking at different time frames really gives you a different perspective. If you look on the 5-minute, for me personally, this is a little bit drawn out for a bull flag. And you can see how long we were in that pullback pattern for almost an hour and a half at that point. But you look at those different time frames, and compared to the flag pull, that big breakout, it does look like normal, healthy consolidation and then continuation. So the bulls held control, established support, and continued to the upside. We did set a lower high compared to the high of the day by 2 cents, so almost a double top there, but we formed another higher low. And then by the end of the day, with the push in the S&P 500, Apple got that push over the edge to hit a new high of the day as well. The high was 116.52, which is only 1 penny above the high of yesterday. So it's not a very clear bull break, but obviously all the momentum is favoring the bulls heading into next week. All hourly moving averages are support. And we'll see if the bulls can keep this up on Tuesday. So we've got that. The high of today, 116.52, and we're just looking at a couple resistance levels on the high of these moves, 117.40 and 50, and we're looking back at the high from October. So bulls still in full control of Apple, lots of strength to end the week, and looking just to break 118.08 for the higher low, higher high pattern on the weekly time frame that has been in play for the past 7 months to continue playing out. So I hope you have great, happy holidays and an enjoyable long break. We'll see you next week.